Have you ever wished for an AI assistant that could answer questions, write emails, create content, help with homework, and even generate business ideas? That's exactly what ChatGPT can do. In this video, you'll learn what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how you can start using it today. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. It understands human language and can answer questions, write emails, create content, solve problems, and help you learn new skills. Millions of people around the world use ChatGPT every day to save time and boost productivity. What can ChatGPT do? ChatGPT can help you write emails, create social media posts, summarize long documents, translate languages, generate business ideas, solve coding problems, and even explain complex topics in a simple way. It's like having a smart assistant available 24 hours a day. How to use ChatGPT? Using ChatGPT is incredibly simple. Just visit ChatGPT, sign into your account, and type your question or request. The more specific your prompt is, the better the response you'll get. Whether you need help with writing, studying, or brainstorming, ChatGPT is ready to help in seconds. ChatGPT tips. To get the best results from ChatGPT, always write clear and specific prompts. Instead of asking a short question, explain exactly what you need. The more details you provide, the more accurate and useful the response will be. Think of ChatGPT as your personal AI assistant. ChatGPT free versus paid. ChatGPT offers both free and paid plans. The free version is perfect for everyday tasks like writing, learning, and brainstorming. If you need faster responses, more advanced AI models, and extra features, you can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. Choose the version that best fits your needs. Real-life uses. People around the world use ChatGPT every day to write emails, create resumes, prepare for job interviews, learn new skills, generate business ideas, write code, and even plan their daily tasks. It saves time, boosts productivity, and makes work much easier. Final conclusion. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools available today. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a content creator, it can help you save time, improve your work, and learn faster. If you haven't tried ChatGPT yet, now is the perfect time to start. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Velixar for more AI tools and technology content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.